Hello again, English 1A. So now we need to take what we have learned and put together in our body paragraphs and put them into the introduction. And so the easiest part is going to be your thesis statement itself. You've already written it for your number 6, aka number 4 in the box, on your part 1. So you can literally copy and paste and just remove the parentheses from what you wrote in that location. So here, let me give you my example. Delete out the parentheses parts because we won't need that in the actual essay itself. And now we have our thesis statement. Done and done. Beautiful, right? So, now it says the 10th Doctor is the hero and the Herald Harbinger archetype because he or she has the following traits of this archetype. And I made an oopsies. We can actually delete out the following part. Just so that way it flows together. If you want to keep the following parts, you can, and then maybe summarize what you said in your body paragraphs, but for our sake, we don't need to get that detailed. You definitely don't want to get into specifics on the thesis statement. It's very general. All right. Now we've got our hook and our bridge. So the hook is, and you can actually even see it here in our definitions, it's what you're going to use to grab the reader's attention. So that could be something like a question, an interesting quote, anything like that to get the reader to go, ooh, I want to read more. So in this case, seeing that it's about the 10th Doctor, it's about being a hero and a Herald Harbinger, I can keep those things in mind and go, okay, what question could I ask about the 10th Doctor, or heroes in general, or Herald Harbingers in general. So maybe I'm going to ask the question of what makes a true hero? And then the bridge is exactly what it seems to be. It's bridging the information from the hook, so what you talked about in the hook, to the thesis statement. So you want to bridge over, so in other words, it's going to mention what you put in the thesis statement as well as the hook itself. So I would be saying the 10th Doctor is a hero in many ways, but he also has traits of other archetypes as well. And that way I'm mentioning the fact that there's an extra archetype, I'm mentioning the Doctor, and I'm mentioning what I mentioned in the hook, which is about being a true hero. I don't get into too much specifics. I could give like a small example here of, like what a true hero is, and then connect it with the Doctor or something like that, just to kind of bulk it up. But that's kind of the gist of what you're looking for. Something to get the reader's attention, a bridge to the thesis statement itself, and then use that thesis statement from the part 1. Easy breezy. If you have questions, let me know. You can drop into Open Help, you can email, text, Skype, call. I'm here for you.